All right, so it's time for the first step in our build. And so for the first step in our build, what we're going to do is we're going to bring the fuselage stand in, and we're going to join these two fuselage halves. They will stay joined forever. And this is the first step. And then this fuselage comes in these two pieces mainly for shipping. But once you bond it together, both through the bolts, and then the rest of the build that we do, we'll apply the skins and apply all the hat sections, and that'll make it really one structure, which is incredibly strong. And so let's get started and have this thing looking like a plane and get moving, all right? First thing, let's get the stand.